Welcome to the Cruising with Christ channel. My name is Pastor Ken, and today we're going to be focused on getting the armrest fixed. The old armrest has a lot of play in it, and it's got worn out. We got the new pad, and we're about to install it. So let's see what all that takes. We got tools, so let's get at it. First, we're going to pry off our lid with our flathead screwdriver. We're going to use the flathead to pry off the top of the cover. Once that cover is gone, then you can reach all 4 of those screws. As we take out each screw, it's only going to be those 4. So once you take those 4 screws out, the top will come right off. Once you get the last screw out, top comes right off. So now we're going to go and put the new top on. Now we're about to take the inside part of the lid off with the flathead screwdriver so we can get to the staples. And all you do is go around the edges and pry up the whole thing. And then once you pry it up, it's gonna pop right out. As you can see on the bottom, you see those clips. Those are what you were prying to, and it releases it from the top portion of your armrest. Now we can start pulling out the staples. Okay, I was going to use a staple remover to get all of the staples out, but the staple remover couldn't get all the way in there. They were too tough and too hard, so I end up using the pliers and the flathead screwdriver again. And actually, that worked out very well. The thing is, the flathead screwdriver got in between the staple, and sometimes they broke, but the pliers was able to pull the rest of them out. And it was a very tedious process because it was 1,000 staples in there, so you really have to take your time and go through it. It took me about without exaggerating, it took me about 20 minutes to get all of those staples out. But they came on out of there. It was the best way to do it for me, and that was it. As you can see, you can see the marks where it was cracked and the dirt got through. But this will be covered up. Next phase. Here we are. Nice and clean, looks smooth. It's got a few wrinkles, but this is real leather. What they had on here at first was like a plastic, so this is actually better than what was on there. And these will smooth out after a while, but it is really nice and smooth and clean. Now let's reinstall it. Well, that's it for today. Tune in next time, and we will be doing more things with this car. Everything came out perfect, and we thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay cruising with Christ.